So I just got done working out. And I'm gonna do the what's in my fridge video. So you'll have to, if it gets dark. Oh, there's my board. You wanna see my board? That's my get off your ass and do something board. Or have everything logged in on what I do. But anyways, this is what my fridge looks like. All this is pretty much just condiments, mustard, pickles, sunflower seeds and tomatoes because I love sunflower seeds on my salad. And then eggs. And down here we have vegetables. We have lettuce and cucumber. We got tomato, some spaghetti squash, and we got eggplant and flaxseed and bagels that are almost gone. And I got carrots and some pears. Down here we have this right here is this is what's getting me through not drinking Cokes because it's carbonated water and I love the carbonation. And then I have limes that I cut up and put with this. And I got some apples and grapes, and this right here is watermelon that my mother-in-law gave to us. It was huge, so we're still eating on that. And then here we have prunes, because I like prunes, and tons of yogurt. And we got some more yogurt back here. And then I got lunch meat, and cheese, and string cheese, and Colby Jack cheese, my lone stick of butter. I've got fajita chicken. I got 2 things of that. And then I got the beef. So I put that on my salads. And then all this is just cheese. Because they were having a sale. That was buy one, get one for a penny. So I got like 10. Because we eat cheese. And I mean, we won't eat that much in a month. But. And then we've got bacon, orange juice, and Trop 50. This is raspberry green tea, and then V8, and milk. And I promise I'm out of alcohol. It's just where we keep all of our alcohol. And I got some B12 and garlic, minced garlic, random aloe vera. But that's basically what's in my fridge. My freezer is, as you can see, packed to the brim because our deep freezer went out and we haven't gotten a new one yet. So I got this black rice because it's better than white rice. And then I've got my oils. I use sunflower or grapeseed. And I got a bag full of teas. These are my herbal teas. Different kinds. Bedtime and detox and female. Just a whole bunch of teas. And this is what I usually have for breakfast, which is the Special K Protein Plus. And then I got this for when I am craving chocolate. Since it's only 120 calories for one serving, I figured that would be way better than a candy bar. And then rice cakes, because I love rice cakes. And then I got my bread and my cheese. I got these, a whole bunch of different kinds. I put them in my bottled water. And I got this because it was on sale. It's the sweet tea enhancer, off-brand stuff. But I'm not really sure if I like that or not yet. I've tried it. I'm just not sure. Let's see. I've got a whole bunch of popcorn. And then, like I said, I got a whole bunch of these. I got lime, and I think I got more than just lime. Oh, and I got raspberry lime. So that's that. And this is where everything else is. And I have not cleaned it out, so everything is just shoved in there. I will have to get around to organizing that later. But that's what's in my fridge. Yeah. Sorry, my kitchen is kind of messy. I didn't clean it yet. And I will talk to y'all later.